Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's black. Under the hood's an inline 2-liter turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. Standard on the E-Class are front and rear LED daytime running lights. This one does come with the sports wheels package, which gives you the 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. Tires are in excellent condition. We also got the sports suspension on this, a black MB-Tex interior, sunroof. Coming around back here, we've got a rear spoiler, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming up front here, we've got blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, a brown ash wood trim, power windows, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera. This one also does come with the Premium 1 package, which comes with keyless go, navigation. We've got a dual climate zone, hard keys, a wireless charging station, USB port, cup holder, our command center with our dynamic selects. This vehicle has 24,870 miles, Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this E-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.